Tommy here from Raw Blend. I get asked this question quite a bit, so today I thought I'd do a video about it. Which is the best Vitamix blender to buy in Australia in 2018? So today I'm going to give you my thoughts. At the end of the day, all Vitamix blenders are amazing blenders, okay? They're all going to perform the same consistency blend. From the TNC to the new Ascent 3500, you're going to get the same smooth texture, okay? So you're not going to be disappointed with any Vitamix blender you choose, okay? This is the current Vitamix lineup available in Australia. On this side we have the Classic series, and over here we have the all new Ascent series. The Classic series comes with a 7-year warranty, and the new Ascent comes with a 10-year warranty. Okay, so I'm going to start with the Classic Total Nutrition Center 5200. This is the model I still use at home. This is the model all my staff, family members and friends use. Vitamix really built its brand on this blender. It's an amazing blender. So you see it's got the high 2-litre container. So a really affordable option. If you're looking for the most affordable option, this is it. Retails at $895, but you'll find it online for as low as $695. So a really good option. Next to it we have the Professional Series 750 model. You'll notice it has a low profile container with a bigger blade. So that'll get things processing food and blending more easily. It's got a more powerful and quieter model than the TNC. And it's also got 5 programmable settings. So I can set it to my soup setting. It'll automatically turn off when my soup's done. All right, so that's a really handy feature. So the nice Classic models here, both stainless steel. You can get the TNC in black, red and white as well. Now the new Ascent series has recently been released in Australia. We start at the 2300i. It's just got manual settings, so a 1 to 10 speed and then a pulse feature. All right, so if you're looking for the most affordable Ascent model, this is it. It's a really good choice. 2500i is the same as the 2300. It just has 3 automatic timer settings: drinks, ice cream, and hot soups. Okay, and then the 3500i is the top of the line model. If money's not a problem for you, then I would definitely recommend the Ascent 3500i. You'll notice all the Ascent models have a clear lid, so you can see what you're blending through the top as it's blending. They've got the low profile container. They all have a powerful motor, 2.2 horsepower, and the 3500 has 5 programmable settings. So automatic shut off, and it also has this digital timer, so I can just set it to 43 seconds, let's say, turn it on, away we go. The Ascent model also has an interlock safety feature built into the lid. So if I remove the lid whilst blending, the blade's going to stop spinning. So that is a really great selling feature. The Ascent also has Bluetooth connectivity built into it, which enables you to hook up with some digital scales and Vitamix recipe apps that they're going to be releasing in the future. So as far as extra containers go, one of the features I do like about the Ascent series, in November this year they're going to be releasing a 600ml blending cup and a 250ml blending bowl, which will be compatible with the Ascent series. So that's really handy for doing your smaller mixtures. With the Classic series, you can purchase a 900ml container or a 1.4 litre container, which will fit both models. However, the blending bowl and cup won't fit the Classic series. So at the end of the day, ladies and gentlemen, I guess it really comes down to price point, what you're willing to spend on a Vitamix. My personal recommendation, if you're looking for the top of the line, the Ascent 3500 or the Pro 750. If you're looking for a more affordable option, then the new Ascent 2300, or even more affordable, the TNC, okay, the Classic model. So I hope I've answered some of your questions today. If you have any questions at all, please comment below and we'll be sure to answer them for you. Happy blending!